In our lesson today, we will talk about the Waltz by Joep, which is part of the AMEB Grade 2 syllabus. The first section of this piece is a great opportunity not only to become familiarized with the higher positions on the fretboard, but also to learn how to change positions appropriately. As discussed in our previous lesson, when changing positions, one should use either an open string, a guide finger, or a finger substitution to move along the fretboard reliably. In the first four measures, for example, finger number 1 is the guide. Sometimes the guide finger is not immediately obvious, as other notes might be played on the same string, which is the case here. Finger 1 should be prepared early and kept fretted through measure 3, so that it can slide to E on second position in measure 5. When returning to fourth position, the F sharp is an important reference point, as finger 3 is substituted by finger 1. Once again, finger 1 should be kept fretted from measure 7 to 9, as it will be our guide that leads back to 7th position. After sorting out these changes of position, adding the upper accompaniment is an easy task. In the second section of the waltz, the chordal texture is more static and will stay in the same position for longer. When staying in the same position, very often pivot fingers can be used as reference points. From measure 19 to 24, finger 1 is the pivot, serving as a reference point for fingers 2 and 3 that trade strings often. Three more changes of position happen in the last line of music. First, fingers 4 and 2 guide to 4th position on measure 29, and the open 4th string allows us to move back to 2nd position measure 30. And remember to use a hinge bar in the last chord.